In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a program to display the COVID-19 statistics of any country. Before writing the program, you have to install the COVID package in your computer. So all you have to do within the command prompt, and by using the pip command, you have to do it. All you have to do within the command prompt. So by opening command prompt, you have to write pip install COVID. The package will get installed in your computer. Now close it. Let me open the IDLE. Now let's write code. File, go to new, type from COVID import vid. So this is the COVID package, and from this COVID package you are importing this class in your program. Now COVID equal to make an instance of COVID class. Now we are going to find out the cases. So using this object call get status by country name. So let me write US, the highest infected country. Now this is how to write the for loop. Now write a for loop for x in cases, print x, give a separator, say colon within inverted comma. Okay, now print the cases x. So cases is nothing but a associative array. It contains name value pair. Using that name value you can print like this. Let's save the program first. Go to save button. Let me choose a folder within E drive, say my prog. Within it, say write down COVID-1. Save. Run the program. So it will show you all the details of COVID cases in US. Look, country name US, confirm, this is a confirmed case, active dates. It's nothing but fetching data from the government site. So this is a quite interesting program in the lockdown. Now if you want to see the name or the list of other countries, so what you have to do, just write down print c.list countries, COVID list countries, and make all this intermediate line as comment. Now we are going to print the list of countries by fetching the list countries function from the COVID package. So run the program. Now you can see all the country name along with its ID. So move upward. Here it is written India. Let's try it with India. So uncomment this line. Make this line comment. No need to print this line, and in place of US write India, and save the program and run. Now the program will show you the status of the COVID-19 of country India. I think you like the video. You can try it of your own by writing down of your own country name.
Thank you.
Subscribe to my channel Online Technical Mentor and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.